Can apple cider vinegar help tackle type 2 diabetes? Recently, there have been claims that apple cider vinegar can help those with type 2 diabetes. However, before you get too excited, this research is very new and has yet to be maintained by clinical research. That said, we've often seen firsthand some amazing health results from apple cider vinegar for diabetes, so it's fantastic to hear new research like this suggesting there could be even more to this superfood. Apple cider vinegar is made from the cider of freshly juiced or pressed apples, but vinegar can be made from almost any carbohydrate. As with most other types of vinegar, ACV is made over many weeks to allow all of the sugars in the apple cider to break down and to allow the mother of vinegar to build up, which gives the vinegar its cloudy appearance. Mother of vinegar is a substance that creates a webbed structure made from bacteria and yeast that multiplies during the vinegar making process. Crucially, this is only present in pure, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and this is the component that's behind the aforementioned health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Most vinegar on the market has been pasteurized in order to prevent the mother of vinegar from starting to produce, which kills the bacteria. So you will need to purchase apple cider vinegar that hasn't been through this pasteurizing process in order to experience any health benefits. Diabetes is a serious health condition, and people with diabetes are unable to effectively regulate their blood sugar levels correctly. Blood sugar levels are regulated by the hormone insulin, and people with type 1 diabetes are unable to produce this hormone at all, while people with type 2 diabetes aren't able to produce enough insulin to effectively manage their blood sugar levels, or they are unable to respond to the hormone. People can also have prediabetes, which means they have very high blood sugar levels and are at risk of developing diabetes, but they have not yet been diagnosed with the condition. How can apple cider vinegar help people with type 2 diabetes? Following approved recommended ways to reduce blood sugar levels by healthcare professionals, a healthy balanced diet and regularly exercising can help manage type 2 diabetes. However, there is some evidence that suggests apple cider vinegar can help reduce blood sugar levels, and it even had a positive impact on cholesterol levels in 2 groups of rats that had diabetes and that didn't have diabetes. Another study showed that taking apple cider vinegar immediately after eating a carbohydrate-rich meal drastically reduced blood sugar levels across groups of people with type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and prediabetes. In fact, incorporating an apple cider vinegar diet is a great way to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. How can I take apple cider vinegar? One of the easiest ways to get your daily dose of the best apple cider vinegar is to take it in capsule form, which is more convenient than the liquid form and does not come with the strong aftertaste. FDA disclaimer: these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
This is apple cider vinegar capsule. I take this 3 capsules a day, and especially when I'm feeling there's something wrong with my digestion. For example, when I eat out, I come home, if I feel bad, then I take 3 capsules. And then and if you have eaten bad before, it also helps you lose weight. It cleans your whole body. My skin has been perfect, so all you need to do is open the bottle, get 3 capsules out, and take it. Very simple, easy to do. You'll be surprised with the results. Thank you.
Introducing Bragg Apple Cider Vinegar Supplements. Made with our original ACV and enhanced with vitamin D and zinc, they support a strong immune system. Welcome to your daily dose of wellness, made easy.